Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for trademark registration, updated. Start by searching the trademark database to confirm your mark is available and note similar marks. Identify the correct filing basis, such as use in commerce or intent to use, and determine the proper goods and services classification. Prepare a clear specimen showing use, gather owner information, and choose the right application form to submit electronically. In this video, I will explain how to apply for trademark registration, updated. Gather owner details, including entity type and address, and pick the right filing basis for your situation. Accurately describe goods and services using clear wording to avoid refusal issues, and attach a proper specimen showing the mark in real use. Double-check spelling, claim of color if any, and be ready to pay the filing fee when you submit. In this video, I will explain how to apply for trademark registration, updated. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes cleanup effortless with voice control and smart mapping, so you can focus on filing paperwork instead of sweeping. If you like this tip, please subscribe and like the video to help the channel. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to apply for trademark registration, updated. File electronically with the correct application form and pay the filing fee, then monitor your application status for examiner updates. If you receive an office action, respond clearly and on time to avoid abandonment. Once registered, track deadlines for renewal and maintenance filings, and watch for potential infringements to enforce your trademark rights promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.